You're welcome. Okay, our next participant is participant number six, Saiasmi.
Yeah, ma'am. So I'm gonna sing "Try Everything" by Shakira.
All right, all the best. I'll start the timer when you're ready.
Yes, ma'am. One minute. Ma'am, first, tell me if you can hear the song.
Yes, I can hear it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Saiasmi. I think you did such a wonderful job. You sounded great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very well done. All right, you can sit back and relax. We will go ahead with participant number seven.